versus malware or spyware. What's more dangerous? Your antivirus protects you from more than just versus. Here's everything you need to know about the spyware and other treats. Your security software should detect and a antivirus utility that stuck strictly to defending against a computer virus would be nearly useless. Computer viruses are just one shot of threat and not a common shot at that. A proper antivirus program defends against all kind of software. When we you to install antivirus protection, we are talking about protection against all kind of malware. Why are viruses uncommon? Because malware coders encrypted just want to make money. Like the businesses, there's not a lot of money in the virus business. Spyware steals personal data that the purpose can sell. Banking steal directly from the source, and ransomware demands cash from its victims. There's plenty of money to be had. Modern antivirus utilities offer full substance malware protection, all types of malicious software. The best software protects against all kind of threats. So you usually do not need to know which. Even so, situation may arise in which you do need to know one type of malware from another. And the many stories in the news about security breaches, hackers, and attacks can be confusing if you do not know the terms. Do not worry, our quick and tidy guide to the most common types of threats you are likely to encounter in the news. We hope rather than in person can help you get up to speed. A virus runs when the user launches an infected program or boots from an infected disk or USB drive. Viruses keep a low profile because they need to spread widely without being detected. Most of the time, the virus could simply infect new programs or disks. Eventually, often at a date and time, these days virus payload kicks in early. Virus payloads often individual mindless or pointless booting. These days they are more likely to steal information or participate in a DDoS or attack against a major website. Worms as various, but they can spread without any help from a user launching an infected program or mounting an infected disk. Simply put, a worm copies itself to another computer and then launches the copy in 1988. The marriage worm intended as a simply that's to make sure the building internet caused serious damage. Instead, while it was made to be malicious, it our self-reflection soaked up a amount of midwife. Just a great forces fooled people of try by concealing inside the